guys, it's raining cats and dogs today. I'm not sure how can I do the videos in this kind of weather, but I'm kind of getting nervous about the plants, about my raised beds. I'm not sure that they are like good enough to hold this amount of water, and if the drainage is good enough to, to get all the excessive amount of water out. I'm thinking now that maybe I need to add a layer of stones on the bottom, just to make sure that, just for the proper drainage. I think I will try to do that on my next one. I'm not sure that I'm gonna do it with the one that I already filled with the dirt. It's just too much work. But yeah, for the next one, I think I'll try to put the stones on the bottom, and I'll see if that will help me to make it last longer. Yeah, I'll share my experience with you guys. And now, I'm gonna go right into the rain. So see you soon. Alright, so here are some updates. I think I'll need to drill some holes in the bottom of the raised beds, just to make sure the water goes out of it, because otherwise it will get rotten really fast, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so, and for the new one, I'll try to put the stones. What else? I still need to go there and put the scrubs for the worms, and I will maybe even dig a little bit, but I don't know, it's so wet. Not really comfortable. The toad is back. The huge toad that I found in the little chick's coop. It is back. It's not in the coop, but it's somewhere around, and I wasn't able to catch her, so I'll need to take a look at that. Got a few more eggs. The chicken are hiding under the roof. They are not in the coop. They're just next to the wall, under the roof. And like, it's been a lot of water. There was just the empty glass outside, like the regular water cup, the plastic cup, this big, and it's already like 3/4 full with the water, and it's been just half day raining, so it's a heavy rain. But the good thing is that I got lots of sprouts of the dill. Yesterday it was not there, and now I got like at least 10 of them. They just appeared, little tiny ones, but they appeared. So it may be good for some of the crops. I was trying to edit the videos while it was raining outside. Oh, I didn't expect it's gonna be so difficult. But anyhow, I'm thinking that it's time to plant some more cucumbers. I got the new raised bed full of dirt and compost, and it's ready to get some plants. So what I want to do, I'm gonna get 4 of the most healthy cucumbers that I have here, and I'm gonna plant 4 instead of 3 in one raised bed, so then I will be able to compare what works better. So let's go and try it. Why it happens all the time? So as soon as I got out, the sprinklers start working. Seriously, sprinklers? Like, we have 6 inches of water today. Why do we need sprinklers again? So now I need to turn them off, before I got wet. It's something like this. I just need to get the measure tape, I think, and to make sure that this distance is all the same. Or it's not necessarily, maybe just put it like this. It shouldn't be a major difference. So I'm putting the cucumbers and something that accommodates it. Basil, I think. Yeah, the rest is probably basil. Okay, so here is the updated layout, and I'll just dig it in. I'll just use my gloves. I said it's good to put the cucumbers a little lower. That's what I'm gonna do. Like this. And honestly, I'm pretty cheap, so I'll reuse this. You see, already got some roots. I'll just put it here, pretty deep. And now cover it. I'll put it all the way down. I will cover all the stem. And then I'll also use the mulch, but a little later. And I'll do the same for all of these. Here I have 3 different species, and I think I'll put them as is right now, and then when they get a little better, I'll put them into different spots. But for now, I'll put them together. Alright, it's ready. Show you. Okay, so as soon as it gets adopted, as soon as it gets a little better, a little higher, I'll put the mulch underneath, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some nice and fresh vegetables from it. And I finished right before it got dark. It's getting dark at this time already, and the mosquitoes are attacking me, so I'm gonna go and grab the little chicks. I'll get them inside the house, and that's gonna be it for today. I heard that there's a flower that you can use against the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes hates it. I think that's a good idea. I'll need to do the research, and get it and plant it, because like so many mosquitoes, especially in rainy days like this, and after them, when it's all still wet. These are my little guys. I'm gonna catch them. Only Alejandro is sitting, and he's not afraid. Yeah, this guy knows that everything is gonna be alright. Alright. So this is a new hobby. Checking the asses of the hens and little chicks. And if we see something suspicious in there, like sometimes all the poop gets dry and gets stuck in there, and it can cause major problems. So that's why if we see something suspicious, we're just giving them a bath. So they're okay. We want to make sure that there's nothing in there, and it can go and poop without any issues. So you see that stuff when something sticks out and it stays there. Yeah, so we've been holding him for maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, so maybe we need to hold him for 5-10 more minutes to make sure it's get better and gets out of it. Yeah. So we got the ointment ready. Now we're gonna dry him a little bit, and then we'll use some ointment on this little tiny baby. Look at this. Oh, so cute.
Wait a second.